Hello and welcome to pH Biology. Today's explainer is the producer, the organism that makes its own food using sunlight, anchoring every food chain on Earth. By the end of this video, you'll know what producers are, what they do, and why every other trophic level depends on them. A producer is an organism that makes its own food from carbon dioxide and water using light energy, i.e. photosynthesis. Almost always green plants or algae. They convert light energy into chemical energy stored in glucose. Producers are at the base of every food chain. Without them, no other trophic level could exist. Three things. 1. Producers are usually green plants or algae. Some bacteria also count. Chemosynthesis. 2. They convert light energy into chemical energy, glucose. 3. Producers form the base of every food chain. Even apex predators like eagles depend on plants via rabbits, foxes, and smaller birds. Common slip. Producers don't eat. They synthesize their own food from carbon dioxide and water using sunlight and chlorophyll. They're autotrophs, self-feeders, as opposed to consumers, which are heterotrophs. Quick example, a leaf in sunlight is the start of the food chain. The glucose it makes ultimately feeds every consumer above it. An eagle eating a fox, eating a rabbit, eating grass. The eagle's energy ultimately came from sunlight captured by the grass leaves. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.